Hi guys, my name is Valeria Lipovetsky from the Valeria Lipovetsky YouTube channel, and today I partner up with Covergirl to introduce you to the new foundation, the True Blend Matte Made, that includes 40 shades with groups of different undertones for every woman to try and love. This product is all about diversity and inclusivity and is designed for every woman to feel like it's made just for her. For me, it's really all about looking flawless yet approachable. I love the fact that it's a matte finish, but it's comfort matte finish, which means that I don't feel cakey, I don't feel dry. I can still feel my skin, but having an even and beautiful foundation. To see how I created this look using the foundation True Blend Matte Made, you can check out the full video on my channel. Link below.